welcome back to Wisdom Flare. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you all. We'll be sharing the top 10 most popular and unique money-saving hacks that can help you achieve financial success. But before we dive in, stay tuned for a special budgeting rule that will revolutionize the way you manage your money. Hack number 1, automate your savings. One of the most effective ways to save money effortlessly is by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account on payday. By doing this, you'll be less tempted to spend the money and you'll gradually build a healthy emergency fund and achieve your financial goals faster. Hack number 2, meal planning and bulk buying. Next up, let's talk about meal planning and bulk buying. Plan your meals for the week ahead and create a shopping list accordingly. Buying in bulk can save you significant money on groceries, especially non-perishable items and household essentials. Plus, you'll minimize food waste, making your budget and the environment happy. Hack number 3, embrace the power of cashback. Did you know that you can earn money while you spend? Yes, it's possible with cashback rewards. Sign up for cashback websites or apps that offer cashback on purchases from various retailers. Over time, these small amounts can add up to substantial savings. Hack number 4, slash your utility bills. Now, let's tackle those pesky utility bills. Cut down on energy usage by using energy-efficient appliances and LED light bulbs. Unplug electronics when not in use and set your thermostat to a comfortable yet energy-saving temperature. These small changes can lead to big savings on your monthly utility bills. Before we continue with the remaining hacks, let's talk about a budgeting approach that can transform your financial life, the 50-30-20 rule. This rule suggests dividing your income into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings, debt repayment. 50% of your income should be allocated to essential needs such as rent, groceries, utilities, and other bills. The next 30% can be used for wants and discretionary spending like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. And finally, the remaining 20% should go towards savings, investments, and debt repayment. That's a brief explanation of the 50-30-20 rule. Now, continuing to the hacks. Hack number 5, DIY household products. Here's a creative hack for you: make your household products. From cleaning solutions to beauty products, there are countless DIY recipes available online. They're not only eco-friendly but also cost a fraction of store-bought alternatives. So, unleash your inner chemist and start saving. Hack number 6, negotiate your bills. Don't shy away from negotiating your bills. Call your service providers and ask for discounts or better deals. Many companies are willing to work with loyal customers, and you might be surprised by the savings you can score just by asking. Hack number 7, carpool or use public transportation. If you own a car, consider carpooling with friends or colleagues or use public transportation whenever possible. You'll save money on gas, parking, and maintenance. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice that reduces your carbon footprint. Hack number 8, implement the envelope system. The envelope system is a classic budgeting method that works wonders for many. Allocate cash to specific categories such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation, and keep the cash in separate envelopes. Once the envelope is empty, you know it's time to stop spending in that category. Hack number 9, unsubscribe from impulse purchases. We all fall victim to those tempting impulse purchases, but they can wreak havoc on our budgets. Take a moment to unsubscribe from marketing emails and unfollow social media accounts that trigger your spending habits. Avoiding constant exposure to tempting offers can help you curb impulsive spending. Hack number 10, the power of secondhand shopping. Last but not least, consider secondhand shopping for clothing, furniture, and other items. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and garage sales are treasure troves of hidden gems. You'll find unique items at a fraction of the cost, and it's an excellent way to reduce waste. And there you have it, the top 10 most popular and unique money-saving hacks to set yourself on the path to financial success. Remember, the 50-30-20 rule can guide you in managing your finances wisely. Embrace these hacks, and with consistent effort, you'll be amazed at how much you can save over time. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance, wealth building, and lifestyle tips. As always, we love hearing from you, so share your thoughts and other money-saving hacks in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy and keep saving.